Hello 8th standard students. Today we will discuss about the algebraic identities, brain teasers. We have completed the full lesson discussion and now coming to the brain teasers. Hope you have understood the full lesson and you remember everything, isn't it? Now coming to the first question, A, tick the correct option. The factors of 1 minus 6z plus 9z squared are. So options are given. So we have to solve and see which are the options, isn't it? Which is the correct option. So question is 1 minus 6z plus 9z squared. So first rearrange it. So it is a 9z squared minus 6z plus 1. If you write it like this, so it will be 9z squared. 1 squared also, that is also okay. But if you take, it will be better if you write it like this way because you are familiar with it. So 9z squared. किसका स्क्वायर है? 9 is of 3, z squared is of z. So 3z the whole square minus, put the bracket and keep, and this one will be 1 is a who squared? 1 squared. Now 6z can be written as 2 into, first in the bracket it is 3z. Here it is 1. So minus 2 into 3z into 1. So what is the answer? Minus 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6z. Yes. So now which is this form? It is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Second identity, isn't it? So this can be written as 3z minus 1 the whole square. So which is the option? 3z minus 1 the whole square. So that is the third option. Isn't it? Hope you understood. So factorize and see. Now which of the following is an algebraic identity? So you know, remember all the algebraic identities. You see, a minus b the whole squared is equal to, what is the identity? A minus b squared will be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is wrong. Now here a minus b the whole squared, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So again this is wrong. Now a squared, a minus b the whole squared, even this is wrong. This is correct. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So the option is fourth. Now factorized form of, the question is y squared minus plus 3y plus y plus 3. Isn't it? So underline and common ones you take it out. So in this first, what is common? Y is common. In the first two, it is y is common. What is remaining? Y plus 3. Now here y plus 3, इधर भी y plus 3, मतलब common क्या आएगा? Nothing is common means it is 1. 1 bracket open y plus 3. अभी ब्रैकेट के अंदर क्या है? y plus 3 और बाहर जो बचा है ब्रैकेट ओपन y plus 1. So y plus 3, y plus 1. So which is the option? Y plus 1, y plus 3. सिर्फ इंटरचेंज है लेकिन आंसर वही है. So third option is the correct answer. Now coming to the factorized form of p squared minus 17p minus 38. So इधर आप लोगों को ये स्क्वायर नहीं है, ये स्क्वायर है लेकिन ये स्क्वायर नहीं है, तो तब भी कौन सा वाला मेथड यूज करने का है, द प्लस एंड मल्टीप्लीकेशन डालकर, है ना. सो प्लस मल्टीप्लीकेशन, व्हेन यू ऐड इट शुड बी minus 17, व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई द आंसर शुड बी minus 38. ऐसे वाले दो नंबर्स को देखो, जब भी ऐड करोगे -17 और मल्टीप्लाई करोगे -38. अभी माइनस का मतलब क्या है, दोनों नंबर का साइंस अलग है ना, डिफरेंट साइंस. व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई द आंसर प्रोडक्ट विल बी माइनस. और इसका मतलब इधर अलग अलग साइन को ऐड करने का मतलब डिफरेंस. सो दो नंबर को जो सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के वक्त आप लोगों को 17 आएगा, कौन सा वाला. सो मल्टीप्लाई करने के वक्त 38 और सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के वक्त 17. इट इज 19 एंड 2. 19 2s are 38. 19 minus 2 is 7. अभी साइन इधर माइनस है तो अलग अलग साइन, इधर माइनस मतलब क्या है, बड़ा नंबर को माइनस डालो. सो इसका मतलब -19 एंड +2. सो इधर आप लोग लिखो p squared -17 you split as -19p and +2p and here it is -38. Now underline. Now what is common in this, p. क्या बचा, एक p और इधर -19 और इधर कॉमन क्या है, +2. तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर फर्स्ट आएगा p -2. हाउ मच ज़ा 38, 2 19 ज़ा. तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर है p -19 और जो बचा है p +2. So what are the factors of this? It is p -19 and p +2. So which is the option? Option p -19, p +2. The first option is the correct answer. Understood everyone? So we have completed first question up to question D. Now coming to question E. A side of the square with area. Area is 4x squared plus 12x plus 9 square units. Find the side. So you know side is equal to what? Side is equal to square root of area. Isn't it? अभी ये पहले देखो, इसको फैक्टराइज करो. 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. अभी first and the last, are they squares? Yes. So 4x squared can be written as 2x the whole square plus bracket open, or 9 can be written as 3 squared. So middle term क्या आएगा, 2 into first term is 2x into last term is 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12x. करेक्ट. तो कौन सा आइडेंटिटी, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. That means this became what? It is a 2x plus 3 the whole square. So this algebraic expression can be written as like this. So you know side is equal to square root of area. That means square root of 2x plus 3 the whole square. Square root of a square means what? Remove that square. 2x plus 3 units. So which is the option? Third option. So side is equal to square root of area. जो भी एक्सप्रेशन दिया है उसको फैक्टर्स को फाइंड आउट करो. the square root of that square. So remove that square root and square. That is the answer. Okay. Now coming to the question number B, A. Answer the following questions. Find the product using the suitable identity. So you have to find the product. So first, there are three different expressions. So underline these two. So this is what? A plus B, A minus B. So A plus B, A minus B is equal to, what is it? A squared minus B squared. हाँ या ना, याद है? So ये बनेगा A squared minus B squared. स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट के अंदर ले लो और A आया A squared plus 9. अभी इसको ओपन करो. A squared minus 3 squared is 9. ब्रैकेट ओपन A squared plus 9. अभी फिर से देखो, A फिर से वही है, A minus B, A plus B. Open, it is A squared minus B squared. इधर माइनस पहले, बाद में प्लस, इंटरचेंज किए उतना ही. द आइडेंटिटी इज सेम. इधर आप लोग A के जगह में क्या लिए? A इज इक्वल टू A, B इज इक्वल टू 3. लेकिन इधर A इज इक्वल टू A स्क्वायर एंड B इज इक्वल टू 9 है ना, A स्टेप में. अभी A डालो, that is A squared the whole square minus 9 the square. That means A squared the square, whole square means A to the power 4. Now 9 squared is, it is minus 9 squared is 81. So answer is A to the power 4 minus 81. Hope you understood. So everywhere you think which is the identity and write what is the actual term whatever you are using. A का मतलब इधर A, B मतलब 3. इधर A is A square and B is 9. Okay. Now coming to the question number B. Now x squared plus 1 by x squared is equal to 6. Find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Now first write this, x squared plus 1 by x squared is equal to 6. Okay. So how we have to find this? We'll do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. This will be x squared plus 1 by x squared the whole squared is equal to 6 squared. Now x squared plus 1 by x squared, which is the identity A plus B the whole squared is equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. So A is equal to x squared and B is equal to 1 by x squared. Remember first identity. So you open this. So it will be what? X to the power 4, x squared, first we will write x squared the whole square plus 2 into x squared into 1 by x squared plus 1 by x squared the whole square is equal to 6 squared will be how much? 36. Okay. Now this x squared and x squared gets cancelled. So this one will be x to the power 2 2s are 4. Now we'll take this, okay, plus 2 plus 1 by, this one will be 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 36. Okay, now x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. We'll take 36. This 2 will go to the other side. So 36 minus 2 will be 34. So we got the answer for x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 34. Understood? So when they ask x squared plus 1 by x squared, the value is given. They have asked x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. So square on both the sides, then you will get the answer. Hope everyone understood. So we have completed question number B, the A and B sections, isn't it? Now coming to question number C. The question is x y squared k is equal to 4xy plus 3y the whole square minus 4xy minus 3y the whole square. Now find the value of k. So the question, let it be like this only here, the left hand side. Now open this. For this, which is the identity? First identity, a plus b the whole square. So this one will become what? 4x y the whole square plus 2 into 4xy into 3y plus this one will be 3y the whole square. That is the first. Now minus this. This is the second identity. So 4xy the whole square. A minus b the whole square. It is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So here it will be minus 2 into 4xy into 3y plus 3y the whole square. Now 4 square will be how much? 4 4s are 16 x squared y squared, isn't it? 4 4s are 16 x squared y squared plus 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, xy y means x y 2 times, that is xy square. Now this one will be plus 3 3s are 9 y square. Now here it is minus. Okay. Now open the bracket and write accordingly. Now minus of plus, that means minus 4 4s are 16 x squared y squared. Now minus of minus will become plus. 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, x 1 time, y 2 times, that is y squared. Now minus of plus, minus 3 3s are 9 y squared. Okay. Now 16x squared y squared minus 16x squared y squared gets cancelled. Now plus 9y squared minus 9y squared gets cancelled. What's remaining? 24xy squared, 24xy squared. 24 plus 24 will be 48 x y squared. So you got x y squared k is equal to 48 xy squared. Xy squared, xy squared. Common. So k is equal to how much? Therefore k is equal to 48. Hope everyone understood. So solve this and you will get at the end xy squared and k and the number. So k is equal to that number. So k is equal to 48. Now coming to the question number D. A squared plus b squared is equal to 9. AB is equal to 4. Find the value of this expression. So write the question: 3a plus b the whole squared minus 2a minus b the whole square. Okay, now open it. 3 square bracket open, a plus b the whole square, that is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared minus 2 bracket open, a minus b the whole square, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, now a squared plus b squared दिया है, ab दिया है ना. So put the values. 3 bracket open, a squared plus b squared, what is the value? 9, plus ab is 4, means 2 into 4, minus 2 bracket open, a squared plus b squared is 9 minus 2ab, 2 into 4. Understood? Now 3 bracket open, 9 plus 2 4s are 8 minus 2 bracket open, 9 minus 2 4s are 8. So this one will be 3 into 9 plus 8 is 17, isn't it? Minus 2 into 9 minus 8 is 1. Now 17 3s are 51, 3 7s are 21, 2 in hand, 3 1s are 3, 4 5, minus 2 1s are 2. Now 51 minus 2 is 49. So answer is 49. Understood? First you open, write the a squared plus a plus b the whole squared, a minus b the whole squared. Write the identities, open it and then put the values. Now coming to the question number E. A plus b plus c the whole squared, a plus b plus c is given and a squared plus b squared plus c squared is given. They have asked to find the value. So a plus b plus c means which identity? That a plus b plus c the whole squared, that identity is there, no? So use it. That is a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac or ca. So this is almost the same, but here 2 is common. So remove it. A plus b plus a squared plus b squared plus c squared, 2. Take it as common. What is remaining? AB plus BC plus AC. So you have to find the value of this. Okay. Now they have given the value a plus b plus c. How much? 12 the whole square. A squared plus b squared plus c squared. How much? 64 plus 2 bracket AB plus BC plus AC. समझ में आ गए सबको? सो 2 को बाहर लेंगे तो जो चाहिए वही ब्रैकेट के अंदर है. नाउ 12 squared is 144. A 64 को इस तरफ ले लो, माइनस 64 इज इक्वल टू 2 ब्रैकेट ए बी प्लस बी सी प्लस ए सी. चलो इधर कितना आया, 4 माइनस 4 0. 14 माइनस 6 दैट इज 8. 4 5 6 8 आया इज इक्वल टू 2 ब्रैकेट ए बी प्लस बी सी प्लस ए सी. नाउ 2 को इस तरफ लेंगे है ना, सो क्वेश्चन में ए लेफ्ट साइड में आएगा तो ए बी प्लस बी सी प्लस ए सी इज इक्वल टू 80. ए दूसरे साइड जाने के वक्त डिवाइड, सो 2 1s are 2 4s are and 0, so 40. That means answer AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 40. Hope you understood first question. A and B, both the sections, 5 5 each, isn't it? So little bit confusing all the sums, but you have to understand and solve. It's not the direct questions, isn't it? Hope everyone understood. Okay then, bye. Thank you. Take care.